Oh, here we are, another update in the process of the Jeep repair. As you can see, they're in the process of putting that rocker in. They've cut out this back part, and they will braze another piece right in here. Looks like they're really doing a good job. And
An interim legislative committee has rejected a proposed bill to raise Wyoming's property tax. Joint Revenue Interim Committee took the action during their meeting Monday at Cheyenne. The bill would have raised the tax rate on real and personal property from 9.5% to 11.5%, a jump that calculates to roughly a 20% increase in taxable property. Under the bill,
these are all the bits and chunks they pulled out.
Proponents of the idea said the increase is essential to help declining mineral industry revenue in the coming years. Opponents say raising the property tax could place an unfair burden on low-income people. We'll hold a public open house tonight about the US 189 Dry Piney Wildlife.
Looks really nice on this side.
This open house will be held from 5 to 7 tonight at the Barge Town Hall.
I understand that they're going to kind of blend this paint off into here so it'll match. So it doesn't look like this fender is going to be off, because they'll never get the paint exactly right.
Purpose of the open house is to share information with the public on the development of the US 189 Wildlife Connectivity Project and gather feedback on the project's goals, purpose, and design. The stretch of the highway is a major winter range area for the Wyoming Range mule deer herd killed on the stretch of highway, especially during the winter months by vehicles. Federal and state dollars will be used for the improvements.
As you can see, this is the piece they removed, but the rock rail smashed up into it. Looks like it was pretty serious.
For a loan, look no further than State Bank. Whether it's a home equity loan to do those repairs you've always dreamed of, a car loan, a real estate